Hi all, very warm welcome to AnilNair classes YouTube channel. A very happy morning, happy afternoon, happy evening to each and every student who is watching this video. This session is an extremely important session because by writing these co-cubes written test, you can start applying to some of the good companies like Capgemini, MU Sigma, Microsoft and everything. Once you attempt the co-cubes written test with 60 percentage in your graduation as an eligibility, if you got good scores, that scores will be sent into some of the best companies. Here is your golden chance to probably get into Microsoft if Microsoft is not coming to the college by getting a damn good score in co-cubes written test. Almost good number of engineering students apply for these tests so that they will maximize their chances of getting into the professional life as early as possible. We will see in this video a comprehensive understanding of what is these co-cubes examination, right? What is the syllabus of co-cube examination? How many sections are there in this co-cube examination? Is there any time limit that is defined for co-cube examination, right? And all the other related useful related things we will discuss straight away. We will get into it. In case if you are writing for co-cube examination, this video is a must watch for you to understand the examination structure so that you can plan your preparation wisely. Co-cubes examination, generally these has this many sections. Let us see. Quantitative aptitude, verbal ability, logical reasoning, which is there in almost all the companies. Computer fundamentals, in case if you are from a particular stream, in case if you are from computer science, there will be questions based from a particular domain. You are from electrical domain, you are from mechanical domain, and there is a psychometric test which will check your personality under various situations by asking you. They're all very easy questions, how you respond to a particular situation. Psychometric test, then there will be a coding round, and they are also focusing on the written English ability also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 sections will be there in the co-cube examination, and each section more or less except psychometric test and coding round and written English test, because these is an written English skills, one heading will be given and you have to think and you have to write down the essay in a more structured way. 25 minutes is allocated, similar to the Xavier admission test descriptive writing. Coding round, they will give you 3 questions and you are expected to generate the output in 45 minutes for 3 questions. Psychometric test, they will tell you, right, how do you respond if the situation is like this. They are going to check your intelligent quotient, they are going to check your emotional quotient, they are going to check your lateral thinking abilities. 50 questions will be there, right, and 12 minutes. Probably it is more of a personality test so that they will understand whether you can fit into the Accenture environment. Some are individual players, some are team players. Accenture believes more in a team management based skills, so they are going to check whether you can be a part of Accenture family by understanding your personality. And almost remaining all first five, whether it is quantitative ability or logical reasoning or verbal ability, almost everything, one question, 1 minute time. Just 1 minute, sir. Right, so if you see quantitative ability, 15 questions 15 minutes, verbal ability 15 questions 15 minutes, logical reasoning 15 questions 15 minutes, fundamentals of computers, they generally ask questions from operating system, design and analysis of algorithms, computer networks and data structure, and they might also ask you questions based on principles of programming languages. 15 questions 15 minutes, and from your particular domain, 20 questions 20 minutes. Generally domain related questions will be of a very knowledge based or an understanding of the concept based. Why C does not use interpreter, why divide and conquer problem cannot be used in a traveling salesperson problem, why C cannot use data type at the end, all these knowledge and an application based questions. In case if you are from computer science, you will get these questions. Quantitative aptitude, verbal ability, logical reasoning, computer fundamentals and domain related questions. This is the paper pattern: 30, 45, 60, 80, 150. Total 150 questions will be there, right? And what is the time? 15, 30, 15 5s are 75, 95 and 140, 152 minutes. 152 minutes will be given, and these are all technical related. 3 questions, 45 minutes, where it is more or less equivalent to a pseudo code where you have to generate the output. Written test, there will be some concept that will be given. How was your first interview experience? Tell us about your native place. It could be an abstract topic, it could be a generic topic, it could be what if and then condition, right? What would you do if you are the education minister, right? All these general essay types, they could ask anything. Idea is to check your writing skills. They will give you 25 minutes to check your writing skills on a particular. They will also check through this your understanding of what is happening around the world, whether you have an understanding of the topic or whether probably you are well read or not, is also one of the areas of testing. Now if you see in quantitative aptitude, 15 questions are there, 15 minutes. Each question 1 minute. English, 15 questions, 15 minutes. Each question 1 minute. Logical reasoning, 15 questions, 15 minutes. Each question 1 minute. Computer fundamentals, each question 1 minute. Because you need to solve a question in 1 minute, it is extremely important for each and every student to read a topic, to read all the subtopics in a topic, and go and write the CoCube examination for which you paid some money. Write the examination in the first attempt. In case if you probably do not do it very well, again the process is extremely cumbersome. Why to waste the best chance, which is nothing but the first chance? Quant, English and logical. Psychometric test, 50 questions, 12 minutes, more of a personality driven. Domain related, 20 questions, 20 minutes. This is something which we already discussed. What are the companies that can hire through you the CoCubes? Accenture hires through CoCube, MU Sigma hires through CoCube, Ericsson hires through CoCube, Capgemini hires through CoCube, and Microsoft also hires through CoCube. Because these are all Fortune 500 companies, it's extremely important for you to get a good CoCube score, a good solid 4 months of preparation of spending every day 3 to 5 hours is extremely important for you to move from a 3 lakh salary to an 10 to 12 lakh salary, which is generally given to an Microsoft developer, right? Just 4 months of hard work can multiply your salary by 3 to 4x times. Now if you see, let us discuss the topics. As usual, in quantitative aptitude, in any of the placement patterns, arithmetic is the most dominating area. Arithmetic is the most dominating area, and the next dominating area, it is the number system. Generally, more or less, this is the behavior of every placement paper. First, arithmetic maximum number of questions will come, then number system maximum number of questions will come, then possibly equal number of questions will come in algebra, geometry and modern maths. I keep telling in all the placement series videos, in algebra only focus on progressions, must you should focus, algebraic identities you should focus, remainder theorem you should focus, linear equations, quadratic equations you should focus, and you should have an understanding of recursive and iterative functions, because some companies also ask questions based on relations and functions. Generally in CoCube's paper, sometimes you will also see questions from an advanced maths. Advanced maths, which all questions you will see? You will see questions based on trigonometry. You will also see questions based on logarithms. Probably no question or maximum one question. Sometimes it also comes in coordinate geometry. coordinate geometry, right? So this is the way that you should prepare. Arithmetic, take a topic, spend solid time, learn all the concepts, then go to number system. Number system in placements, what are all the most important areas? You should be good in number tree, you should be good in LCM and HCF, you should be good in divisibility rules, you should also be good in reminders, highest powers, factors and multiples related problems. I hope it is clear. Generally in geometry and mensuration, circles questions are very, very less. They will ask you questions based on 2D or a 3D figures. Mostly the questions will be on area, perimeter, shaded region and the basic properties of the figure. Basic properties of the figure. I hope the idea it is clear. Right, now let's get into logical reasoning. Logical reasoning, more or less what I told you in Capgemini. Capgemini, we have discussed how the questions will come from a co-cube. The same thing more or less it is written. In a co-cube's reasoning, all the 20 plus topics are extremely important. What are the 20 plus topics? Right from number series, letter series, alphanumeric coding, then we have got blood relations, then we have got directions, cubes, clocks and calendars, seating arrangement, linear arrangement, circular arrangement, numerical reasoning, verbal reasoning, analytical reasoning, right? And logical sequence, coding and decoding, statements and conclusions, statement and assumptions, so on and so forth. Visual reasoning, diagram, line is moving from left to right, what will be the last option, right? All visual reasoning DI. I will try to take some problems based on visual reasoning DI. In sometimes in co-cubes also, crypt arithmetic questions will also come. Extremely important reasoning. There is no specific topic as which will be repeated mostly. All the reasoning topics you need to concentrate so that you will not miss out on the easy questions from a difficult topic. Then verbal ability, as I told you in placements, grammar plays an extremely important role, and the most important roles topics in verbal ability are RC and vocabulary. Then comes the last part, verbal logic. Grammar, RC, vocabulary and verbal logic. These four are extremely important. In co-cube sometimes idioms and phrases questions also do come, but they are very, very minimal in nature. Once you are good in grammar, you can also do active and passive voice related problems and direct and indirect speech related problems also. Don't miss out on all the parts of speech. Every rule in grammar, you need to make a note of it. So because 1 mark, if you lose it, you will lose a great chance. This is a great chance for the student studying in any college to write the co-cube examination and get into the top of Fortune 500 companies. Logical reasoning, and then we will see computer programming. As I keep telling in all my classes, in computer fundamentals, questions will be on fundamentals of C, fundamentals of C++, fundamentals of object oriented, right? There will also be questions based on principles of programming languages, database management system. Questions might be on normalization, question might be on SQL and PLSQL, and some super important definitions from DBMS. Operating system, concentrate on process and memory management, very important chapters. File management, also give an attention to it. Data structures and design and analysis of algorithms. Networks, extremely important. Good number of networking related questions also do come from computer architecture and organization. Any student who is preparing from CSE and IT background, you just cannot afford to miss all these basic understanding. You need to be good in fundamentals in all these topics, otherwise your technical round will go for a toss. Right? And next one, in essay writing, there will be a lot of generic topics that might be asked, and you will be given 25 minutes. There could be an abstract topic, there could be an if and then topic. If you become so and so, then what is the action plan that you do it. Some of the previous essay writing topics which came in co-cubes are, please write down your first computer experience, who is your best friend, right? Are we too dependent on computers, right? What is your last, these are all the generic questions, right? These are some of the examples of the essays that were given. Your favorite sports person, education, how important it is to develop a country, should laptop replace textbooks. Some of them are generic, some of them are abstract, learning versus understanding. Certain topics you can better write it or express it very well if you are a well-read. And there is a beautiful saying by Ian Rand, you are dead inside if you do not read it. So ensure that you read, not for the sake of writing essay writing, but also for your overall holistic development and to change the way that you look at things. These are some of the examples of essay writing. I hope it is clear. Essay writing, any topic under the sky can be given, 25 minutes you have to write. And essay writing also, that essay needs to be in extreme structure. First, what are the important keywords that are used? What is the definition of it? How, and you need to express each and every topic with data and facts so that your essay will become better than the others. Then we have got computer programming, verbal ability, logical reasoning, and quantitative aptitude. I hope these co-cubes paper pattern is extremely clear to you. In case if you are someone who is not good in aptitude, reasoning or verbal, or you think that you are good in aptitude, reasoning and verbal, but after listening to some of my YouTube videos you felt that you are going through the traditional method, or you are someone who want to maximize your chances of getting into a better company with better packages, you want to outbeat the competition, you wanted to get a good score, then you can purchase our placement CRT course. This placement CRT course has 350 plus hours of videos covering every concept of aptitude, verbal and reasoning. Covering every concept of aptitude, verbal and reasoning. You can go with an very small package of 750 rupees for 1 month, or you can go with a package of 2400 rupees for 3 months, and you can watch the videos unlimited number of times. Those who purchase it today, they will also get the arithmetic live classes of 60 to 80 hours, new updated content where the classes are taken by me, worth 3,500 rupees, absolutely free to you. As you know, arithmetic is the most important topic. You just cannot afford to miss arithmetic. 50 to 55% of the questions in quantitative aptitude will come from arithmetic. Arithmetic, if you prepare once, not only it will be useful for your placements, but also for your GRE, but also for your GMAT. In CAT, 40% of previous year questions came from arithmetic. In case if you are planning to get into government exams, these arithmetic plays an extremely important role. In case if you wanted to purchase it, you can WhatsApp this number 8050067891 to know further about the course details. Happy to help you, happy to inspire you, happy to keep you motivated, happy to share all the shortcuts which will make you clear the exam in the first attempt. Please remember, my methods will work only if you work. These only for the serious and sincere students. Thanks a lot. With love, Anil Nair.